Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mike. If this is the first time you're visiting this channel, this is Too Tall Fishing. It's a fishing channel in central Oklahoma with me, Mike, and my fishing buddy Shane. My boat is an older boat. It's an 07. I got it a couple of years ago. It's a LOWE Stinger, and I'll put on the screen right now, I'll put a little picture for you guys. Shane, he has a LOWE Stinger as well. His is a little bit newer. I think his is a 2014. I did my graphics on mine, I don't know, last year sometime. He's been pestering me to do some stuff for his boat. Tomorrow is Shane's birthday, so we're gonna go over to his house tomorrow evening for his birthday party and having a barbecue or whatnot. So he's bringing his boat over today, and he's got to work tonight, so he's not going to have any say. He's going to have kind of a general idea of what's going to happen, but he's not really going to have a say as to what his boat's going to look like. It may be freaking daisies and pink flowers for all he knows. He's going to bring his boat over, drop it off, and go to work, and we're going to bring you guys along for the ride. If you want to know what goes into removing factory graphics and putting some custom graphics on your boat, this might be the video for you. If you like crappie fishing, walleye fishing, saugeye fishing, striper, hybrid, catfishing, you like all that kind of stuff, you might want to hit subscribe on our channel, because we do a lot of fishing. So stay tuned. That's Shane. You've seen Shane's boat. You can see I kind of started piddling with it a little bit.
He's gonna make it even better.
Covered. See you later, Dax. Bye. You gonna wave? They wanted to put your hand out the window and wave. There you go. All right, guys. Shane dropped his boat off. He split. He's got to go to work tonight. So, getting set up out here. Stole my wife's planting stool, heat gun, a couple other removal tools, just a razor, squeegee. Got a GoPro. Got a hat on backwards. Let's do some stickers. I'm gonna put you guys, put you in time-lapse mode and make it go by that fast, hopefully. Check this out right here. I don't know, I asked Shane if this is where he had started trying to peel it, you know, ahead of time or whatever, and he said no, it's when this boat was already like this when he got it. So I've already peeled right here a little bit, but you can see I think this is dock rash or something, so I may have to deal with this a little bit. I may have. All right, it's been I don't know, hour or two. Haven't really kept track. Got one side stripped. That was pretty much the easy part. Now the hard part is, and I don't, you know, it's probably not going to show up in video, but that was that dock rash I was talking about. But there's a residue here that the stickers leave, and if you don't get that off and then you put new stickers on top of it, it's going to be bad. So this next step is probably the most important part. I think I'm also, his registration numbers are all, they look like they came from Walmart, you know, individual letters, and they're all wonky. And look, his tag is out of date. He didn't even realize that I told him that earlier, so he's gonna get a new tag. But I'm just gonna go down there and measure the letters on my boat and I'm just going to copy the size and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and peel these two. Then we got to clean this whole thing off and then go over there and do it all again. What I'm doing is these areas where the residue is real bad, I'm soaking it in with WD-40, just using the good old straight razor here. And you got to be super careful when you're using these, because if you get too much of an angle straight in, you're gonna screw up your paint. So what you want to do is just take the residue off, so you're not digging in at all. All you're doing is getting the old sticker gunk, the adhesive, you're just getting that off. And sometimes it can be hard, it can be really hard to see, and the best way is just run your finger over it, and that'll tell you if you got it off or not. This is the part that is not fun. This is the part that well, it kind of sucks, but it comes with the territory. All right, y'all, it is about 9 o'clock. I've been up since 5. I'm old, I'm tired, I'm going to bed. Got both sides peeled, one side's cleaned off. Before I hit the hay, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to it tomorrow. So hang on. So here's a little bit of what we're gonna do tomorrow. This is just this is the mock-up I did for my boat. That's my boat in the background, but the hull is exactly the same. We're gonna do a little bit larger LOWE logo with the stinger. We're moving it around a little bit. Big, I think this is almost 5 feet long, walleye skeleton, white with a black outline. Then this, skull and pistons. This is going to be changed a little bit. I'm going to put the Too Tall Fishing logo on top of it. So yeah, it's morning. I have been up entirely way too long already. Let me show you guys where we're at right now. And my rooster's crowing. So I was out here till way after dark last night. Got this side all peeled off. I've already got the other side cleaned off. I've still got to get all the residue off this side before I can start putting on all the new stuff. So I don't know if this is going to show up on camera. You may be able to see it. Let me get the right light. What's up, Chachi? What's up, Chachi? What are you doing? I don't know if you can see it, but from here to here is where his old registration numbers were, and that residue is still there. That has to come off or it'll be bad. Like right here, you can see where that old stripe was, the factory stripe, and you can see how that, yeah. And you can see it's got little dings and nicks and crap just all over the place. I don't want any dents, dings or scratches on my new Humvee. My advice, if you don't have your boat scratched up and messed up, don't crappie fish. So today is Shane's birthday. I think he's turning 50. I turned 51 this summer. I think I'm a year older than he is. He's been kind of pestering me to do this to his boat, and he better freaking like it. You hear that, Shane? You better freaking like this, because this part sucks. You were supposed to do this like 3 months ago, dude. Did I mention I'm cantankerous too? Okay, so I'm putting them all on here, just getting an idea of where they're gonna go. I've got a general idea, you know, but nothing concrete. I had this back closer to here because Shane had said something about wanting the fish to look like it's eating the LOWE logo, but it looked way too crowded, so I scooted that up a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna take a bunch of measurements off of body points and just get them where they're perfect, basically, and then we're going to start slapping stickers on. Then when we do the other side, all we have to do is take those measurements from this side and do the same thing on the other side, and it'll be good. I think it's going to look pretty cool. It'll look pretty cool. So back to it. All right, is it Shane approved?
100%.
All right,
Approved.
cool. Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. That's freaking cool, man. Really cool.
All right, now the video's over. It's party time.